We have all experienced the frustration of sitting in traffic on our way to work. This is just one of the many negative consequences of urban sprawl, the unbridled expansion of cities that has led to the destruction of natural habitats, increased pollution, and longer commutes. As cities grow, they consume more land and resources, which puts a strain on the environment. The construction of new roads, buildings, and other infrastructure requires the clearing of forests and other natural areas. This habitat loss is a major threat to biodiversity, as it destroys the homes and food sources of countless species. Cities also consume more water, energy, and other resources than rural areas. This increased demand can lead to pollution, as cities often lack the infrastructure to properly manage their waste. For example, urban air pollution is responsible for around 240,000 premature deaths in the EU every year. Urban sprawl also leads to longer commutes. As cities expand, people have to travel farther to get to work, school, and other essential services. This increased traffic congestion contributes to air pollution and noise pollution, which can have a negative impact on our health and quality of life. In addition, urban sprawl threatens the little green space that is left in cities. Parks and gardens provide many benefits, such as improved air quality, reduced stress levels, and opportunities for physical activity. However, as cities expand, these precious spaces are often lost to new development. The problem of urban sprawl is complex, and there is no easy solution. However, there are a number of things that can be done to mitigate its negative impacts. These include planning for compact, walkable cities that reduce the need for cars, investing in public transportation and other alternative modes of transportation, protecting natural areas and green spaces, reducing our consumption of resources. After World War I, skyscrapers were seen as a solution to urban sprawl. They were built rapidly and widely, especially in America. However, these towering giants have their own problems. They are expensive to maintain and consume up to 70% more energy per square meter than low-rise buildings. Skyscrapers are also unsightly and cast long shadows, darkening city spaces. They can also create wind tunnel effects, making adjacent streets unappealing for pedestrians. In recent years, architects have begun to explore alternative solutions to urban sprawl. Some have turned to earthscrapers, which are buildings that are built underground. Earthscrapers offer a number of advantages over skyscrapers, including they are more energy efficient, they are less visually intrusive, they do not cast long shadows, they can be built in areas with limited surface space. However, there are also challenges associated with building earthscrapers. One of the biggest challenges is making sure that they do not collapse. Other challenges include the cost of construction and the potential for flooding. Despite the challenges, earthscrapers have the potential to be a more sustainable and livable solution to urban sprawl. As the technology continues to develop, earthscrapers may become a more common sight in our cities. Earthscrapers are a new type of building that burrows deep into the ground, providing a more sustainable and space-efficient alternative to skyscrapers. To ensure that earthscrapers are safe and stable, they will be built using reinforced concrete and other cutting-edge materials. They will also need to be equipped with advanced drainage systems to prevent flooding and watertight concrete systems to prevent groundwater seepage. Earthscrapers will also need to be designed to withstand earthquakes. This can be done using base isolation systems and seismic dampers. One place that is seriously considering building an earthscraper is Mexico City. The city has a population of almost 9 million people and is facing a severe shortage of space. The proposed earthscraper would be 300 meters deep and would provide much-needed residential, commercial, and cultural space. The earthscraper would be built right below the city's central square, the Zocalo. This would allow the square to be preserved and would also provide a unique and sustainable solution to Mexico City's spatial challenges. Earthscrapers are a promising new development that could help to create more sustainable and livable cities. They offer a way to increase the amount of usable space in urban areas without adding to the city's footprint on the surface of the Earth. Earthscrapers are a new type of building that burrows deep into the ground, providing a more sustainable and space-efficient alternative to skyscrapers. However, this concept is not without its hurdles. The financial feasibility remains uncertain, and there are numerous engineering and logistical issues to overcome. Even with these hurdles, the Earthscraper concept remains an exciting and novel approach to combating urban sprawl, and the idea has already encouraged other architects to think outside the box. There are a few smaller Earthscraper-esque projects that you can actually visit today, such as Montreal's Underground City and New York's The Low Line. These projects show that Earthscrapers can be a major tourist attraction and a way to revitalize abandoned urban spaces. The future of Earthscrapers is uncertain, but they offer a promising new development that could help to create more sustainable and livable cities. Here is the recording. Here are some specific examples of how Earthscrapers could be used. Agriculture. Earthscrapers could be used to create underground hydroponic farms that collect and conserve water and offer a precisely controlled climate for year-round cultivation. Data centers. Earthscrapers could be used to house data centers, which could benefit from the innate insulation and geothermal cooling capabilities of the Earth. This could help to reduce energy costs and improve the efficiency of data centers. Habitats on other planets. Earthscrapers could be used to create underground habitats on other planets, such as Mars. This would help to shield us from harsh surface conditions and cosmic radiation. The possibilities for Earthscrapers are endless. As we continue to develop this technology, we can imagine a future where Earthscrapers are used to create more sustainable, resilient, and livable cities. Thanks for watching Science Nomad. We will see you next time.